Hey, what's going on, guys? All right, I'm back and we are gonna go over a Boya shotgun microphone. I bought this microphone about 2 years ago and I broke it. Well, I broke the mount on it. I'll show you in a second what it is. But so I said, can I find a replacement part? Probably not. So I jumped on eBay and guess what? They're only about $13. This is a great microphone, shotgun microphone for $13. I think I originally paid 40 bucks for it. So I figured, let's do a quick review real quick so you can hear the quality. It's right above me, so you can't see it, but it's close enough that listen to it. It's great. $13, guys. Don't go out and spend a bunch of money on shotgun microphones when you can just pick up one of these on eBay. Brand new. I'll put the link below. Maybe the sellers got more, but they were all over the place, so it is not really a big deal to find them. Let's open it up and see what you get. All right, so here we are with the Boya MM1. Open. Here we go. Okay, so let's start off with the mount. So here is the mount that I broke. And I'll show you why I broke it. So maybe you can avoid the same thing I did. But this is the mount I was looking to buy. Here is the Boya. We give you a little wind protection cover with it. Very nice. A little nice dead kitty cat, as they call it. I have cats. Not a big fan of the name, but that's what they call it. All right. And here is the Boya, right here. So as you can see, it's really a small shotgun microphone. And as you can hear, the quality is very good. I mean, I'm a couple feet away from it and it's very nice. So this is what I did wrong. So here's the mount. All right. I decided to it was on the camera and I just slammed it and shoved it in. And when I did, I broke this right here. This little piece, I had to retape it, but it's basically supposed to give you some flex, but it just didn't. So if you do decide to put it on, just put your finger here and then push it in. And you won't break it like I did. So, but my loss, your gain, you get a quick review on the Boya. What else do we get? We get two 3.5 millimeter cords. One is for smartphones and it's labeled smartphone. It's right here, it's really tiny. So that's labeled for smartphones. You get two of these cords. And they give you a little baggie to store it in. Obviously I do not store it on it, so you can use it for something else. That's it. And some silicone gel, which every package has. That's the whole thing. That's the Boya Boya MM1. I'll show you too. I'll put the link below for the eBay thing, or just in general. So anyways, guys, thanks for coming by. I definitely appreciate it. This is my new studio again. I decided to bring it back in because I got tired of setting the cameras up in the living room. It was slowing down my production of videos. So now it should be a lot easier. And I still have the space for my little comments up there. This way, it's still fun. Anyways, guys, I do this for fun. So thanks for coming by. I appreciate it. First time here, thank you. Second time, third time here, thanks again for coming back. All right, if you have any suggestions or want any questions about the Boya, let me know. But the whole video itself is being recorded on this Boya shotgun microphone, so you get an idea of the quality. Of course, you have to make little setting changes in your own DSLR or your camera to make sure that it's not running too hot or too low, because your in-amp sound processors are always different. So do little tests, and then that way you get the right sound. So sometimes it's not just plug it in and go. So depending on your device. All right, I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for coming by. I got a few videos coming because now I have the studio. It's much easier to just do these things and just roll them out. Okay, see ya. Bye-bye.